In the beginning, we had a really crappy CRM, which was Google Sheets. So we would have like in a month, we'd have 100 leads sign up, right? And we were trying.
That's
What's
a
that?
hundred. That's 100 leads through the lead generation inside of Facebook.
Facebook, yeah,
How long would it take you to get 100 leads?
a month.
A month, and those are buyer leads, correct?
Both,
Both,
yeah,
both buyers
both.
and yeah, both buyers and sellers. Yeah.
Well, because a lot of people that are looking to buy it already own a home,
Yeah. Very, very true.
right?
Yeah.
Our
Yeah.
first, the first client we picked up from Facebook was a seller. I mean, somebody looking to buy, but they want to sell. They got to sell their home first, right? So we helped them sell their home, and we helped them buy a new home. That was the first client we got from Facebook. It was once we started, 3 months later, we got our first deal done. Well, we got
So
two deals. We got our first client 3 months. We're getting clients, but real estate, it takes time, right? It's not like you're gonna pick up your first client right away and boom, they're ready to buy a home and you find them there. It could happen, but usually
it's
what I've
very
realized
rare. Yeah. Yeah. It's very rare. That's what I usually tell my clients as well. It usually takes around 3 to 6 months for
for
people to
100%,
because
100%.
you're building a relationship at the end of the day, and like that's someone that you might be on the phone with maybe every couple weeks or something, just
Mm-hmm.
getting some updates, or like they want some updates about stuff in the surrounding area. Maybe they haven't found a home that's right for them yet, and then something will come up on the market, and then boom, like I want to
Mm-hmm.
snatch that up right away.
Yeah, but that's just real estate. That could even be like your best friend or whoever, your aunt saying, "Hey, I need to buy a home." But then when you start looking, from when you started looking to when she actually buys the home, it could be like 5 months even, right? It isn't. That's just real
Very,
estate.
very